My name is Nightingale. I'm the class captain of SS 3 2023. Welcome to
my name is Adim Figueroa. I want to be memory and trade, and my friends will call me Blue.
My name is Peter Damlola. My friend call me Damiazi, aka I'm smart. I want to become a mechanical engineer.
My name is Olatoku MC. My friends call me ESK. I would like to become a chef.
My name is Ololai. My friends call me Chief Accountant, aka Technologist. I would like to be an accountant.
I am Jagana Esther. My friends call me Princess, and I would like to be a medical doctor.
My name is
My name is Adidam Lola. My friends call me Flexi Wind. I would like to become a surgeon doctor.
My name is Mike Thomas. My friends call me Master. I would like to be a nurse.
My name is Akadi Twitch. My friends call me Q. I would like to become a mechanical engineer.
My name is Wally Doralico. My friends call me Odun Chelsea. I would like to be public administration.
My name is Alexander. My friends call me Moni. I would like to become accountant.
My name is Okada Flores. My friends call me Flossie Mama. I would like to become a business administration.
My name is Oji. My friends call me DDS. I would like to become an accountant.
My name is Ubu Daniel. My friends call me China. I'll become an accountant.
My name is Olaife Jumana. My friends call me Snowball.
I'm Agboyin for Augusta, also known as Dean Akudams, and I'd like to become a medical doctor.
My name is Akotsuneto Abdi. My friends call me SPL. My future ambition is mechanical engineer.
My name is Lady James. My friends call me Princess Selena Mancusa. I'm like to be a
My name is Deborah Zagari. My nickname is Debbie, and I want to become a chartered accountant.
My name is Oka Chioma. My friends call me James. I'd like to study public administration.
My name is Ismail Akebesela. My friends call me Kemsi. I'd like to become a business.
My name is Patrick. My friends call me Jake. I'm becoming a soldier.
My name is Fadla Sheku. My friends call me Strong. I want to become a captain.
Once again, my name is Daniel. My friend call me Daniel, aka D.
My name is Kevin. My friend call me Keke. I would like to become a lawyer. My name is Kolole. My friends call me Chifu Milayo. Then I'd like to become a lawyer.
Hi everybody, my name is Sharon. My friends call me Sumari. I like to become a news person.